I've talked to you in the past about algorithms that hedge funds have that find innocent holders of stocks, stop loss orders at 5, 6, 7, 8%. And as a stock gets some bad news and starts going down, they will actually start selling to push the stock down past those stop loss orders. That's happening with Facebook today as a result of Verizon announcing that they're going to join the boycott to boycott advertising on Facebook in the month of July to stop some of the hate speech. This is an event that is causing a reaction, and as a result, Facebook stock is dropping. And I'm going to show you what I did on my computer and how I put myself in a position to buy Facebook at the gap that I had recognized at $2.20. Now I bought in three different purchases of $100 or 100 shares per purchase until it got down to the gap, and I bought below the gap at $220 per share. This is a skill you need to learn. This is a pretty raw video that I'm going to put out. I'm not going to do a lot of the stuff I normally do to enhance it, but I think you needed to know this. This is my computer screen on Facebook, and again, I like to use tradingview.com, and you'll see that the high on Facebook was right about here, and the high was 245.19. So if we put 245.19 into our calculator, let's see, 245, and times 0.95 equals 232. So what that's telling me is that there's going to be a lot of stop loss orders in at 215. Now let's go over here and change this to a minute chart, and you'll see, and here Facebook's even going down further. You can see that the computer started clicking in, and the sales just keep falling and falling, and this is all computer generated. This is Facebook finding a bottom and initiating these stop loss orders and bringing it down and down and down. And it's going to come down to where I want to buy it around 220. I probably will buy in earlier. Also notice these are volume bars. And you can see the computer came down here and got it down to where it hit the 5%, and then it kind of leveled off and allowed it to just kind of settle a bit, and you see both red and green, and then all of a sudden you can see it's coming in, the computer's coming in for more, and initiating more of those stop loss orders and getting the price of Facebook down. Now I was able to get in and buy about 100 shares at 227, and now it looks like it's down about 225, 226. My target price and where I was going to come in and buy some more would be 220, but I don't know if it'll get all that way down. But this isn't over yet. This is just a classic example of the computers, the algorithms that come in and say, where do people have their stop loss orders, and where can we go in and pull their stock out of their hands, and buy, and then turn around. And what you're seeing here is they brought it to a new low. Now the computer came in, bought a little bit more, and they're probably going to take it to another low. So get familiar with where the stocks that you want to own, where their high is, and then where that 5% is, and then look for where that 6% is, and see where the computers are going to step in and give you buying opportunities. And again, just to reiterate, this is all about Verizon and other companies saying they're going to boycott Facebook in the month of July because of some of the hate speech that appears on their site. So, as I said in my morning market letter, that there would be a buying opportunity on Facebook. If you're not getting that morning letter and you'd like to, just go to bestofusinvestors.com, register your name, and it's free, and you'll get it. So I got to go because they're going to take this thing lower, and I need to be doing some buying.